Hello, did you know that Nairobi is the only capital city in the world with national park and wild animals right in the middle of the city? Well, now you know. Join me today as I show you a very beautiful sunny day on the Nairobi Central Business District, the fashion and beautiful people. This is a typical beautiful weather afternoon. Those are matatus or public buses. Public transport in Nairobi is a big thing because we literally have club experience in the buses. We have the lights, the big screens, the loud music, and everything you can imagine. The only thing we don't have is active alcohol selling in the buses, but if you want that club experience in the middle of the week, pick one Ganya, as we call them. And the building ahead of you there is the National Archives. This is a very old building in Nairobi, one of the first buildings. And if you want to know more about the older version of Nairobi or Kenya, you can go there. And as you can see, the dressing is light. As much as you can see, occasional casual dressing, but most of the people are officially dressed because it's a weekday, and the city is actually so green and beautiful. Ahead of you there is the Hilton Hotel, the Nairobi branch, and there's a walk or a street right in front of it. People pass right under the hotel, as you can see there, and at the ground floor, on the ground floor of the building, are shops, so tourists get to buy a lot of stuff there when they're staying in the hotels, which is a little pricey, to be honest. I would rather buy stuff somewhere else. I've tried buying something there and it was so much, you can imagine. And as you can see, the streets are actually a little clearer than usual because most people are still in the offices. You'll see otherwise later. These are also the buses, but these are not the club experience type of buses. These are a little quiet and stuff. They head towards the hospital, so they're a little quiet. If you want to have that quiet afternoon or quiet evening or quiet morning, you can pick those ones. And this is a road to the Kenyatta International Convention Center, which you can see ahead of you. That's one of the tallest earlier buildings in Nairobi. It used to be the tallest actually, but now is one of the dwarfs. The Nairobi has really grown a lot more after that. And yeah. Right there is the Supreme Court of Kenya, where you can sue or counter sue those who sue you. So it's right on site, as you can see that. And to your left is the City Hall, which is the Nairobi's administrative capital. And this is just downtown.